But it's sad enough that while they are united in an effort as state and centre, as ideological political differences, but political showdown nevertheless has come in again on Wayanad. And now the BJP has asked the Congress party here, and this is Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, that it's been 2 days, why haven't they gone? We are told, Tejasvi Surya also added, Koreans plane landed, Rahul's cannot. Basically, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, just to give you a background, earlier had said they were going. Then they said the weather is not supportive right now. There's a lot of rainfall. We'll not be able to land, so we won't be going. Then this morning, there was an update that the Gandhi siblings are en route Wayanad right now and will be heading there. Tejasvi Surya, who's been a BJP MP from Bengaluru in Karnataka, he's also now said it, that he's asking and targeting the Gandhi siblings about why they are not there already visiting the affected areas. And the sharp retort at the Gandhi siblings is for a reason. Rahul Gandhi won as a Lok Sabha Member of Parliament from Wayanad. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was given an additional responsibility when Rahul Gandhi chose Raebareli. Let's listen in to what did Tejasvi Surya say and why.
अब तक क्यों नहीं गए? बहाना उन्होंने दिया कि अपने चार्टर्ड प्लेन वहां लैंड नहीं हो पाएंगे, इसलिए हम नहीं जा रहे हैं. अपने सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर जॉर्ज कुरियन साहब पिछले 3 दिन से वहां जमीन पे हैं. रेस्क्यू रिलीफ ऑपरेशंस को खुद वो पर्सनली प्राइम मिनिस्टर के डायरेक्शंस पे वो उसको सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं. जॉर्ज कुरियन साहब का प्लेन लैंड हो सकता है, पर युवराज और प्रियंका जी का प्लेन लैंड नहीं हो सकता है क्या? This shows their commitment to the people who elected them.
Sagai Raj is joining me for the latest now. Sagai, it's sad enough that political showdown has erupted, but why do you think that now the BJP is going after the Congress party specifically and Gandhi siblings, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi?
If you notice that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi has categorically mentioned that they are unable to land in Wayanad and they had forced to cancel their visit yesterday, and that is the reason that BJP is trying to get political mileage out of it. And we also spoke to George Kuren here, and he was taking cognizance of the situation. He was walking towards Mundakai yesterday, and we spoke to him while walking towards Mundakai, the kind of the effort taken by the union government along with the state government. Meanwhile, the state government says that you need to stop playing politics. The priority is to recover the missing people in Mundakai and also give psychological help for all those people who have been rescued from Mundakai and Churamala. So the state government says that you should stop making politics. But we have seen that Amit Shah, while making a statement inside the parliament saying that he has given an alert, he has sent the alerts to state government saying that there will be heavy rains on 24th, 23rd, 25th, as well as on 26th they warned of landslide. The government claims that they have instructed the panchayat members, district administration, whenever they get any kind of alert from the central government, and they even tried to move the people, but they never expected these kind of landslide to happen in Wayanad. As politics continue, the army on the ground is working, trying to rescue people, ship them to the rescue centers, and this is a priority here in Wayanad.
And that's what politicians should do. In fact, they should be seen on the ground. They should be assisting as much as possible, united at this point. But as always, political showdown, and this time Tejasvi Surya asking, why didn't Gandhi siblings reach earlier? Why did it take them 2 days to come to Wayanad? We'll be tracking all the latest on that. Saga, I want to thank you for now. I understand you have a lot of ground reports to bring to us.